Hope you're all fine. This is our first lecture of our ODL lecture series. It's about the pesticides, and this lecture is divided into two parts. So, in these slides, we are going to see the first part of this lecture. The overall objectives of this lecture are we would like to know what are the pesticides, what is their proper definition, their mode of transport, and their environmental significance. And finally, what are the prevention measures to control the pesticidal pollution? So, as far as the definition of pesticides is concerned, it is any substance or the mixture of substances intended for the preventing, destroying, and mitigating any pest. So, these are the chemicals or chemical substances that are actually used to control the pests or harmful agents, harmful organisms that can destroy, damage crops, vegetation. So we look into the market, there are a variety of pesticides, they are available. So we can easily classify them into different types. These types can be on the basis of their chemical nature. The pesticides, they are available, they are of different chemical nature, or on the basis of their target organism, which organisms they want to kill, we can classify it with respect to the target organism. And then number third, their mode of action. And finally, on the basis of their application or usage. Okay, students, in this table, I'm going to show you some examples of pesticides on the basis of their uh, target organisms. You can see the term and the target. For example, algicides, they are used to eradicate, to remove the algae. Algae को खत्म करने के लिए algicides यूज होते हैं. इसी तरह herbs को खत्म करने के लिए herbicides, herbs, weeds, small plants, इनको खत्म करने के लिए herbicides यूज होते हैं. And then rodenticides to kill the rodents, larvicides to kill the larva, avicides to kill the birds, fungicides to target the fungi. So there are many types with respect to the target organism. The pesticides, they can be labeled or named into different types. So in previous slides, I have given the example of uh, pesticides that have been classified on the basis of target organism. Now this is another classification. It's based on the growth stages of the different organisms. For example, ovicides, they are used to kill the pests in their state when they are in the form of eggs. Then larvicides in the form of larva to target the larvas, and adulticides to target the adult organisms. The pesticidal pollution can be point source pollution or non-point source pollution. The point source pollution is the one that is definite, can easily be identified, while the non-point source pollution is discrete, spread, and it's difficult to identify the source of the pollution. So pesticidal pollution can be through point source or it may be non-point source. The next topic is pesticide pollution and the environment. Pesticides, they are important to study for our environment because they are persistent organisms, means they can stay for longer time in our environment. They are difficult to degrade. Biodegradation इनकी बड़ी मुश्किल होती है. Some of them they are non-biodegradable, and even some of them they are bactericides. They can kill bacteria. So commonly the organic pollutants they've been degraded by the bacteria when they pass through different waste streams. But the pesticides, most of them they are persistent organic pollutants, and also they can contaminate soil, water, air, and vegetation. So their long-term exposure is hazardous to our health. They can, even some of them, they are carcinogens. They can cause cancer. They are not only harmful for the humans but also for the other aquatic organisms. So pesticidal pollution is difficult to treat. The wastewater that has pesticides in it is difficult to treat with common biological methods. So we need advanced wastewater treatment methods to treat such kind of a persistent organic pollutants. Another disadvantage to apply the pesticides, it is that they can kill even non-target organisms. जो organisms की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, जो crops को हार्म नहीं करते, फसलों को नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाते, ये उनको भी मार देते हैं जो यूजफुल होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल द हनी बी or many other useful organisms, they even can be harmful for them. They are harmful for the domestic animals. So they can immediately affect or by direct injury, or their prolonged exposure can result into the environmental pollution.